negative b over 2 times our a. Okay, and if we look at number 1, what is our a? Jesus, put that up. 1, what's our b? Negative 2. What's our c? Negative 3. Okay, so it's going to be negative, what's our b? Negative 2 over 2, and our a is 1. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. Was anybody not here yesterday? Okay. Just didn't know how slow I need to go. One? Somebody else got 1? Yeah? Okay, so that goes there. That's our first part of our vertex. Hey, my camera's on, so hush. Okay, and then what's it going to look like above? Parentheses 1
2
squared.
minus 2 parentheses 1 minus 3.
Good. Okay, everywhere there's an x up there, we're plugging in a 1. Okay, so go through and type that in your calculator, see what you get.
Equals negative 4. You open up. I got negative 4.
Negative 4? You guys agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go to 1, negative 4, and put our dot. Does this graph open up or down?
Up.
How do you know?
Because the
A is positive, so it's going to open up.
minus 2.
How many dots are you drawing?
3.
Ooh, what's this one called? Look at me. What's this called?
A vertex.
Okay, so. Okay, and that's what this is. Okay, the vertex is our first point we're going to graph. Okay.
Is Erica on here?
Mm-mm.
Was he here yesterday?
Yeah. Okay, 3. It's going to look like negative. What's our b? Negative 24 over 2. What's our a? Negative 3. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. Hey, the camera's on. Are you serious?
I'm sorry. It's negative 4.
Negative 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we plug it in.
Jesus, what's the top going to look like?
The top up, down.
No, I'm saying like
Like what you mean?
this part. What's it going to look like?
Oh, it's gonna be negative 3, parentheses, negative 4, cube 2,
Squared.
oh yeah, square root 2, subtract 24, parentheses, negative 4, and then subtract 44.
Good. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get.
Oh, damn.
What'd you get?
4.
4?
I got 4.
Huh?
I got 4.
I don't know
4?
why I got 64. I did something wrong.
Make sure you have the squared.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, so negative 4, negative 4. Is that going to be on this side or this side?
That side.
The left. Okay, negative 4, 4.
Yep.
Okay,
And then you have to go down.
and it's going to go down 1 over 1.
Jermaine, answer the questions. No, he not. He doing the other people. Yeah, doing the work. I'm gonna stop answering. It's your turn. All right.
Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, 5. Look at 5. If you're not on 5, get on 5. Okay, 5 and 6 look a little bit different. All right? Okay, so we're still going to use our formula. Negative b over what? 2a. Okay? Now, we got negative. What is our b? 0. There's nothing there, so it's going to be 0. Over 2, what's our A? 1. It's just 1. Okay, what's our C? 0. Okay, so it goes like this. AX squared plus BX plus C. Okay, the C is always just the number. Okay, the B is the part that goes with the X, and the A is the part that goes with the squared. Okay, so if it looks like this, 2x plus 3, what is our A?
Our A is 2.
No,
We don't have one.
there's not one, which means it's what?
It's already solved?
It's 0. Okay, look at this. A goes with the x squared. Is there an x squared right here?
No.
No, so there's no A. What's our B? It goes with the x.
The 2x.
It's just 2. What's our C?
The 3.
The 3. Okay, so make sure that when you're looking at A, B, and C, it doesn't always go in that order. Okay, the x squared goes with the A, the x, just plain x, goes with the B, and the C is just a number with no letters. Okay, so type this in your calculator, see what you get.
Oh, I got 0.
You got 0?
I got 0.
Okay, and then we're gonna still plug it in up here.
Alright, 0 squared.
0 squared, which is 0. Okay, so our vertex is on what?
0.
0. Does it open up or down?
Up.
Up. And just so you know, this is the mommy and daddy graph. Okay, it goes 0, 0, and then that if it starts at 0, 0, that means that's the original graph back from the 1900s. That's the very first graph they ever had. Right? So that's what that's saying. Every other graph are like cousins, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles. Okay, but this graph is the mommy and daddy graph. That's the graph of all graphs, the holy grail.
Wait, so this would be B right here. This would be, and then like the rest of them is 0.
Yeah. Okay, look at 7. We got negative. Our B is negative 4 over 2, and my A is negative 1. Hey, shush. Okay, type that in your calculator, see what you get. Negative 2. Okay, now plug that one in. So you gotta use parentheses. I don't know if you're like that. You have to, because then, and then you got a negative 2 and a 2. Oh, so you gotta put the parentheses right here.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's not the same. Negative 2 squared and 2 squared are different.
Alright.
What'd you guys get?
3?
3? Sometimes it'll work, Jesus, but sometimes it won't, so just use them. Okay, so we're gonna go to negative 2, 3, and put our dot. Okay, and then are we gonna go down 1 over 1 or up 1 over 1?
Down.
Down 1 over 1. Okay, last one. We got negative. Our B is negative 6 over 2, and my A is negative 1.
Wait, did you give did you give the paper sheet? Negative 3? Negative 3.
It should be negative 3, yeah. Timmy, you probably forgot a negative somewhere. Okay. Okay, now plug that in.
Negative 4.
What'd you guys get? -4, somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So at -3, -4. Is this gonna open up or down? Down. What's the first point we plot called? The vertex, okay? That's mean where that graph starts. It's called the vertex, okay? I'll tell you right now, it's gonna ask you what is a vertex on your quiz, okay? What's a vertex? The first point you plot, okay?